Thahavvur Rana will be transported from the Palam airport in Delhi. He will be taken to the NIA headquarters in a bulletproof vehicle. There is also a planned massive security convoy to transport Rana, taking no chances here. Security officials are ensuring maximum security when Thahavvur Rana is taken from the Palam Technical Airport to the NIA office, to the NIA headquarters in Delhi. Armoured vehicles will be accompanying the bulletproof car in which Thahavvur Rana will be travelling. Delhi Police commandos, special commandos have been deployed for the security. A SWAT commando team will be accompanying Thahavvur Rana wherever he goes. Now, because of the huge security deployment that's planned, in all likelihood, once he's taken to the NIA office, there's little chance of him being taken out, perhaps for a court hearing. In all likelihood, that will happen virtually. I want to bring in Shivani Sharma for the latest updates on that. We've got Himanshu Mishra also joining us from the Palam Technical Airport. This is part of the Delhi airport. This is where you have the VIPs usually arriving, and because of Thahavvur Rana being a high security terrorist right now, nothing being left to chance right now. I want to bring in Shivani first. Shivani, just run us through the kind of security arrangements being made. For obvious reasons, you're going to see a massive convoy. Little chance really of any of us catching a glimpse of Thahavvur Rana, because he's going to be very quickly escorted out to the airport directly to the NIA office.
Akshita, this is a high profile and a very sensitive extradition that is being carried out by the NIA in India, and in a couple of hours when Thahavvur Rana will be landing in India, he'll be landing certainly on the technical airport because he cannot be brought from the civil areas, and he's travelling on a special flight along with the NIA officials. And when we talk of the security, there's a multiple layer of security that has been already prepared. When he comes, he will be made to sit in a ballistic vehicle, the vehicle that is used by the paramilitary forces, by the police for special operations. This is not only bulletproof vehicle, Akshita, but also it can withstand any kind of grenade attacks too. So remember, when Thahavvur Rana is here, we have to be very sensitive, and it is very important to keep him secure. He's a high-profile terrorist here, and he was wanted by India. And when this investigation goes on, his security is also important. So that's why there are multiple layers of security, not only at the airport. When the convoy will move, it will not be a convoy that can be exposed, but it will be a well-secured convoy with multiple vehicles of ballistic vehicles, armored vehicles out there, and he will be accompanied by the SWAT team, the SWAT commandos of the special forces, the special police cell here, and he will be brought to the NIA headquarters where we are present. And here also there is multiple level of security. Akshita, there are additional forces. There are CAPFs that have been deployed additionally for this extradition. There are commandos who are already in place. So the security circle is completely prepared for his extradition when he comes here. Remember, he's already traveling with the NIA officials. So formally, the arrest will take place after the procedures, the protocol procedures, proper medicals will take place, and then he will be formally arrested when he lands in India. He will be taken to the NIA headquarters, and the security has been upped not only at the NIA headquarters but all those places from where he'll be travelling from the airport to the NIA headquarters.
Okay, so Shivani telling us right now that all possible steps being taken right now to ensure smooth transit. When Thahavvur Rana touches down at the Palam airport, he's going to be directly taken to the NIA office. There's an NIA team travelling with him on board that special aircraft which left from Los Angeles last evening, made a stop at an unknown location. Again, for security reasons, they didn't divulge which is the stop, which area did they stop in for refueling and rest. But now we're expecting in a few hours, essentially, that plane will touch down at the Palam airport. Himanshu Mishra is joining us live from that area. There's a very secure security zone, but Himanshu Mishra has managed to go in there with, of course, adequate IDs and checks. He's getting us the latest updates. Himanshu, हमको ये जानकारी मिल रहा है कि अभी 2-3 घंटे में शायद जो प्लेन में तहव्वुर राना है, that will be landing.
बिल्कुल, देखिए कुछ ही देर में, ये जो अनुमान है कि कुछ ही देर में तहव्वुर राना का प्लेन लैंड कर जाएगा। उसको लेकर के तमाम तैयारियां हैं। सबसे पहले जो एजेंट NIA के जो ऑफिशियल्स हैं जो एयरपोर्ट पर मौजूद हैं, जैसे ही लैंड करेगा और तहव्वुर राना भारत की धरती पर कदम रखेगा, सबसे पहले उसे अरेस्ट किया जाएगा। मेडिकल टीम भी साथ में है, साथ साथ उसका मेडिकल चेकअप किया जाएगा। अब आगे एक कोर्ट में सिक्योरिटी है। पटियाला हाउस को पूरी तरीके से सिक्योर कर दिया गया है, लेकिन अनुमान ये भी है कि एजेंसियां जो है सिचुएशन देख करके आगे तय करेंगे कि उन्हें क्या करना है। क्या वर्चुअल पेशी होगी या फिर कोर्ट ले जाएंगे, ये एजेंसियां तय करेंगी। जैसा सिचुएशन रहेगा, सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न को देखते हुए उनका डिसीजन होगा। अब जो उसके बाद जब कोर्ट में पेश करेंगे तो रिमांड की मांग करेंगे, और रिमांड चूंकि ये टेररिस्ट है तो 1 महीने तक का, 30 दिन तक का पूरा रिमांड तहव्वुर राना का एजेंसियों को मिल सकता है। तो ऐसे में चूंकि कई, आप देखिए, तहव्वुर राना वो कड़ी है जिसके जरिए कई ऐसी चीजें हैं जो अभी सामने आने बाकी हैं 26/11 हमले की, क्योंकि ये पूरा लाइव कोऑर्डिनेट किया जा रहा था जब ये हमला चल रहा था। तो कौन लोग थे जो इसमें और शामिल थे जिनके चेहरे अभी तक सामने नहीं आए हैं।